really think I just fell apart there. I don't think he was doing anything too crazy. He wasn't coming up to the net and ripping shots. I just fell apart. We got to stay true to our shots. My footwork, I guess I'm tired. I don't know, because my footwork is messy and my shots are spraying a little bit. And I think it's just because of footwork, which I think is because of energy. But that's okay. Give it to him. Oh, great shot. Oh, come on. What is that? Great shot. Move over there. You know where he's going. Ah, good shot. No. He's playing a really great defensive game, but I'm getting so many opportunities. I need to convert. I need to get those chances, and I'm missing a lot of them. But if I can just play my game and not overthink, I'll be okay. You missed a little drop serve, Andrew. You don't like it? It's disrespectful, huh?
I think it's very disrespectful. If you did that to me, I'd be all over you, like white on rice, dude. I'd be like, nah, you're gonna do that with me? Then go play in the 3-0. Go play the 3-3-0 league.
Mike, you think
Get
it's disrespectful?
a second serve, dude.
It's part of the game.
He thinks
Get
so
a second serve, dude.
Brett got a little passive there. I think now he's with new life in the second. He's gonna be a little more offensive. So I gotta be smart, keep the ball deep. Let's see how it goes. Oh. So many. God. Come on, that's it. Ooh. Respect. Oh, I'm there. Great shot. Oh. Come
Great
on.
Shot. I'm there.
Come on.
Come on. That's it. That's my best Andrew impression. That's you. Come on.
Oh, good dodge.
Good point. I got it. I thought you'd get up, but guess I was wrong.
I'm glued to my seat.
Come on. Oh. The fan flare. Respect. Oh, great shot. Thanks.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Come on.
He's coming to the net. We're hitting some clutch shots. We got to keep it up. No 90%, 80% shots, 100%. I'll be honest. I'm surprised how fast my legs are going. I'm
Bunch of bees.
surprised how many errors I made the first set. But I owe, it's all credit to Mike. He's
really?
putting me in these situations. Like, who do you think's gonna win this?
I don't know. I really don't know.
It's right here, baby. Just let it all out.
Secretly, I'm not gonna win now.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Good serve. No. Wow. Brett!
Oh, fuck. Come on. Good shot.
Great shot.
Just wide.
Ah, come on, come on, come on. That's a tough one to lose. Oh, baby. I think it's just long. Why are you moving? Why are you moving? No. Oh, too much. Oh, that's a. No way! What is your grip doing there? Wow. Oh no, come on. Good shot. Good point. Oh, I think that hit. Great shot, great shot. Hey. Good point. Good point. All right, so Mike got really lucky there. God. All right, we lost a couple games there. That's okay. I committed to some decent shots there, but man, his net game, his volleys were so good that game to break me there. This is going to be tough. Oh, great shot. That was very lucky. Oh, good shot. Oh, nice shot. Nice shot.
Oh, beautiful. Nice. Wow, that's bad.
Right to him. Just lob it, dude.
Let's go one at a time here. Just gotta fight every point. Oh, good shot. Oh, good shot.
Come on. Good point.
Ah!
A little too excited.
Come on. Oh!
Next time on Dragon Ball Z.
This is everything I've wanted. And so much more.
Smoke weed every day.